What is up, YouTube? Carla here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm super excited because I get to bring you guys an early unboxing of the Yeezy 700 Analog, courtesy, of course, of our partner, Soul Academy. Let's go! Before we get started with the vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Digital Walker. Digital Walker is one of the best gadget shops that you guys can find here in the Philippines. They're pretty easy to spot because they have a lot of branches all over the country. Now, they are a multi-brand store, so they carry multiple products such as Marshall, one of my favorite audio gear, especially their headphones and their speakers. This one is the Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphones. It has the Marshall branding, the leather outer face, looks kick-ass, and sounds amazing. Again, guys, if you are looking for gadgets, check out Digital Walker in various malls. I will also put a link down below to their Shopee account. Now, before we get to the main event, which is the Yeezy 700 Analog unboxing, I just want to share with you guys something. This is a limited edition shirt between SICK and ATP. SICK is a local streetwear brand. I think it's stunning, impressive clothing. That's what SICK stands for. And ATP is Adidas Stock Philippines. Adidas Stock Philippines, one of the absolute best groups that you guys can be part of on Facebook if you are a fan of Adidas. And they actually came together to put up, well, this limited edition shirt which they sold during the Manila Sneaker Expo 8. And I just want to share it with you guys because it is a really amazing kick-ass shirt. I mean, the design of this is really next level shit. So here you guys have it. It is a black shirt and you have the SICK and ATP logo here at the front, but it really goes crazy if you take a look at the back. Because if you take a look, you have the outsoles of all the different shoes of Adidas. I mean, just trying to name all of them is kind of fun. So if you guys want to see more of the different shirts of SICK, I will leave a link down below to their Instagram account. And if you want to be part of a really kick-ass cool community, a well-governed community with really nice rules, actually strict rules, which is really nice because you get to build a nice community, check out Adidas Stock Philippines, link to both down below. So let's get to the unboxing. As you guys can see, this is your typical Yeezy 700 box. You have that brown carton box with 700 listed, printed at the top, and you have the details of the shoe on the other side. It says here analog, analog, analog for the official colorway, and I did get it at a size 12.5 or half size up. I'm a natural size 12, mainly because I do have wide feet, and I usually go half a size up, if not in most of my shoes, but mostly, actually almost all of my Yeezys, I go at least a half size up. So let's pop this bad boy open. As you guys see, it has the typical white tissue paper. Nothing's too special there, but let's get to the actual shoe because that's why we're here. This, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see over here, let me just let the light settle so that it can focus better. There you go. This is the Yeezy 700 Analog, and it looks so much better in hand and in person than in pictures, because if you take a look at the pictures, it just looks like a white shoe, but there's actually more color to it, different shades of white and gray and cream and off-white all over the shoe. If you take a look at the sole, it's some sort of like dirty white, off-white, cream white color, which pops with the white sole part of here in between the circular shapes at the part of the heel. If you go up, you have an almost grayish type of suede, gray white or dirty white kind of suede, which goes around the lateral and the medial side of the shoe together here as well with the toe box. You have that mesh material that dominantly covers the top part of the shoe, which gives it breathability and flexibility. And you have that really nice leather accent again along the sides of the laces, and which goes all the way up to the collar part of the shoe. Again, all of the different parts that I just called out come in different shades of white. So that gives it more texture, more character compared to like a boring white sneaker. Now, if you go to the back of the shoe, or I mean to the side of the shoe, these circular things along both the lateral and the medial side actually are reflective. So if you hit it with flash, it's supposed to glow. And if you go down to the outsole, it has that really nice black outsole, which gives it a little more contrast considering everything at the top is already shades of white. I will be doing a full review of the Yeezy 700 this weekend, so watch out for my on-feet review of the Yeezy 700 analog when it drops. This one will actually sell for 16,000 pesos here in the Philippines. You can get it from Soul Academy. I will put the link down below to their Instagram account. Make sure that you guys follow them on IG because when they do announce Yeezy drops, they post the mechanics. So if you want to cop Yeezys for retail, if you don't want to pay like resale prices, following shops such as Soul Academy gives you that edge, gives you that additional info so that you can prepare and buy the shoe for retail when it drops. Now, first impressions, when it comes to the color, when it comes to the overall vibe of the shoe, it can be a little bit boring, guys. It is just, you know, your different shades of white. But if you are looking for like a clean, chunky, white sneaker that's a Yeezy, that delivers that 90s Yeezy vibe with boost, obviously, this is the shoe to go for. However, if I were to like compare, I still kind of prefer the Yeezy 700 V2 static, but again, that's personal taste. I love the futuristic vibe of the 700 V2s, especially with the lines that are a little bit more progressive compared to the circular shaped lines that you guys see here, which is a little more 90s vibe if you ask me. So, but again, that's just personal preference. If you like this one, then knock yourself out, go buy it. I mean, there's no right or wrong answer because it really boils down to personal taste. And hey, if you're buying based on hype, the good news is actually Kanye asked his friends to wear the Yeezy 700 analog during his Sunday Service performance over at Coachella. We saw, I think it was Young Lord, we saw Chance the Rapper, Kylie Jenner was wearing it. So you do have like a lot of hip-hop artists and celebrities wearing this shoe. If you weren't able to cop the Yeezy 700 OG, if you were the Wave Runner, if you weren't able to cop the Yeezy 700 Inertia, and you've been wanting to buy like a Yeezy 700, at least you have another chance. Albeit it be a different colorway with this one, again in different shades of white, with the Yeezy 700 analog. Oh, one more thing before we end the vlog. If you guys weren't able to watch my Funko Pop mystery unboxing, I will put the link down below to it. This is actually a 5,000 peso or $100 Funko Pop mystery box. I actually ended up getting like a rare Thor Asia exclusive glow-in-the-dark pop that sells for like $90 or $100. Crazy. The overall value is amazing. Anyway, if you haven't watched it, check it out, link down below. But I am bringing this up because I missed an item from the box and I wanted to follow it up with this video. So it actually also came with the shirt. So I missed this one. So let's just take it open, rip this open, and take a look at what the shirt looks like. So this is an official Funko Pop shirt. And it actually features obviously like Funko Pop characters that you like. Now this particular shirt features Howard the Duck. So again, from the Marvel Universe, looks really nice. So again guys, if you are looking to buy Funko Pops, if you are looking to buy toys and collectibles, make sure that you check out Big Boy store over at Shopsville in Green Hills, especially if you're living in the Philippines. And to those who are wondering, no, Big Boy Cheng does not own Big Boy store. It just so happened that they have the same name. And that wraps up our vlog for today. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are going to announce the mechanics for the giveaway of the Realme 3 smartphone soon. I think I'm trying to put it together so I can announce it this weekend. So if you guys are interested in winning smartphone, number 1, subscribe. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. Number 3, hit the notification bell. Number 4, wait for the video to drop. It will either go up on Saturday or on Sunday. So make sure that you guys stay tuned to the channel for the mechanics. So guys, that's it for now. I hope you all had an excellent week and I pray that you all have a meaningful, restful weekend up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.